If standard color codes do not align in legacy or non-standard wiring, stop and trace before making any connections. Treat every conductor as unknown until you verify it at both ends. Start by turning power off and confirming with a non-contact tester, then open both the origin and termination points so you can see each conductor. Use a multimeter set to continuity or low resistance to identify which conductor at one end matches which conductor at the other end, and mark them with durable labels or colored tape that you record in writing. When tracing in wall runs where access is limited, use a tone generator and probe to audibly confirm pairs or individual conductors without energizing the circuit. Document the mapping on paper or a photo so that any future work does not rely on memory. If you encounter older insulation colors that have faded or been repurposed, scrape a small section to reveal the original color or use the meter to confirm function rather than relying on appearance. Common mistakes include assuming a conductor is ground because it has green or bare insulation, which can lead to dangerous cross-wiring. Always verify continuity to a known grounding point and do not connect a presumed ground to a neutral. Another frequent issue is relying solely on color matching at one end, which causes miswiring when conductors have been swapped. Avoid this by tracing and labeling both ends and using a tester to confirm voltage and continuity. Finally, connecting live circuits without isolating all sources can energize unexpected conductors. Always lock out and tag out breakers or disconnects. Verify zero voltage at the worksite and proceed only after confirmation. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing projects and responding to homeowner requests. We also host an active discussion community where members share practical tips on troubleshooting older wiring and other home repair topics.